Hi everyone, this is Sandy Carroll from the Berkshire County Board of Realtors covering our first quarter market watch report for 2019. And we break our sales into three distinct regions, North, Central, and South. That's how we'll cover our numbers today. First, to start off, residential sales up 2% countywide, 206 sales in the first quarter. Represents a stable northern market. It represents an increasing market in Central Berkshire of 17%, but a decrease in Southern Berkshire of 13%. In our inventory, we have 650 homes for sale currently on the market. That is an 11% decrease over last year. You can see it affects all parts of the county. Southern Berkshire has the most homes for sale currently, and they also have the most homes in the higher end price range that move considerably slower. This leaves us countywide with a 6-month absorption rate. In Central Berkshire, that can drop to 2 to 3 months. In some markets and in Southern Berkshire, that's 17 months on average, and in some high-end, over $1 million market is much, much higher than that. With our dollar volume sold, we're at $51 million for the first quarter. It is a 7% decrease over the previous year. That's countywide, a slight retraction in Northern Berkshire. Central Berkshire is a 4% increase, and then Southern Berkshire is, again, a double-digit decrease. We have a median sale price countywide of $194,000, and you can see how that plays out throughout the county. We are still very competitive when you look at state and national averages. Next up, pending sales, which is our indicator of how the second quarter is going to go. There were 179 pending sales at the end of the quarter. That's up from 147 the previous year. So we're going into the second quarter of 2019 strong. Most of those sales were between the $150,000 and $250,000 price range, which I don't think is any surprise. That's our workforce housing market. It's where the most of our homes are listed and where most of our homes sell. On average, things are moving the quickest in Central Berkshire, and they're also moving as close to list price as any other part of the county, meaning they're priced right and they're moving fast at only 124 days from listing to selling. Next up, we talk about multifamily sales. North County sales strong, but Central and South stalled when looking at the sales compared to the first quarter of last year. Down 3% overall, which is only one unit, but we did see an increase of $5 million, 21% in volume, and the averages are still quite affordable. Next up would be our condo market. Not doing great. We are down in the number of sales and in the volume. We dropped from $12 million in the first quarter of last year to $4 million this year, and it really is because of the Southern Berkshire condo market. North and Central were very stable, almost level as they were in 2017 and 18. And so we're hoping that the condo sales will start to pick up in Great Barrington and areas around there. Land sales were very mixed, down in the number of parcels transacted, but much higher in what they sold for, driving the medians up and making a balanced market. Future indicators are brought to you by The Economist at Realtor.com, saying home prices will continue to grow 2.2% nationwide. Inventory will increase 7%, which isn't maybe enough that what we need, but it's still an increase. High-priced markets are going to be bucking the trend with double-digit inventory gains, and we've already recognized that in Southern Berkshire here. Millennials are now going to account for 45% of the mortgagees in the nation, and that's a huge jump. Boomers are only representing 17%. And then finally, the tax plan still has to shake out this year. It was good for renters, and it's mixed for homeowners who now have to itemize deductions to benefit from home ownership incentives. We are proud to provide you with this Market Watch report, and we hope to see you next quarter. Thanks so much.